Well, welcome back. So today we have a little project. We have this floor for our bathroom. It's a teak floor. I'll show you here. So it's for the bathroom. These pieces here are all just glued together, and they snapped under the weight of just over time of people stepping on them. So, going to try to make a new floor here with this teak, and we will see how it comes out. It's a lot thicker, so I got to do a lot of sanding and some modifications here. We bought this for $40 online, so we're going to see what we can do here. So the outside, just gonna need it sanded down. This is the actual outline here. It's got some support structures underneath that just had to be cut back a little bit to make edge for the lip where it's gonna be resting. It's just to keep the slats together. So this is a 120 grit finish right now. So far so good. The only concern is how thick the supports are. That's my only worry about when we install this, if it's going to fit in that grate. Because the old one is only this thick here, so but we'll see. I'll do 220. There's like a 3/4 inch lip around each edge that this holds, which I will show when we actually install this. But I had to cut the lip around. It wasn't worth just pulling this all off because this is all glued on with wood glue and probably would damage the other pieces of wood. So what I'm gonna do is just sand all these edges down and kind of give them like a gradual slope. teak piece here. A bunch of broken, chipped parts that just are not repairable because this is just a board piece. This is going to be the new one. Still have to stain it with some teak oil.
We did a test fitting for this piece, and it showed that it needed to have the support structures on the bottom side move to the center, and then the actual edges towards the entranceway and by the toilet needed to be shaved down to like a 45-degree angle to fit the grade going into the drain. But once you do that, the piece will fit perfect.